Tinnitus, how to make your life more comfortable. Despite the widespread cases of tinnitus, it is only serious enough to impair the daily functions of 5% of Americans. It does not mean that tinnitus is something to be taken lightly, but don't get too worried. There are some tips and advice listed below that may lend you a helping hand. If tinnitus is a recurring problem for you, wear earplugs while you swim. Swimmer's ear, the condition in which water gets lodged in your ears after swimming, makes tinnitus symptoms worse. While it may seem silly, it may also be wise to wear earplugs while you shower. If you believe you might be afflicted with tinnitus, but you're over 50, you should ask your doctor to test you for Meniere's disease. This syndrome can afflict you with the same symptoms that tinnitus can, but is far more serious. Therefore, a diagnosis is important to help treat it before it gets worse. Clean your house from top to bottom. The steady sound of the vacuum cleaner is music to a tinnitus sufferer's ears. The activity of doing household chores will distract you from the overwhelming noise in your ears, and eventually, you won't notice it. The added bonus is a clean, comfortable environment where you can relax. Tinnitus patients can find great relief of their symptoms through reflexology, so give it a try. Make sure you locate a professional that is experienced and has references. Do a background check to determine their experience and be sure you can trust them before you hand over any money. To get your mind off tinnitus, create an alternate noise to listen to. Recite poetry or mantras to yourself. Play a musical instrument. You can even chew gum. Singing and humming your favorite songs is always a pleasant way to get through your day and your mind off of the ringing. Some sufferers of tinnitus have found some relief from their symptoms by using garlic. Garlic has been known to help heart disease, infection, and is a powerful antioxidant that can even fight cancer. Garlic can be used in the form of supplements found at a health food store, or by using fresh garlic in foods. Consider altering your food consumption. Some sufferers of tinnitus find relief by implementing changes in the food they eat. Some people believe that taking vitamin B12, consuming ginkgo biloba, and eliminating coffee can help. Only change one thing at a time, however, so if you notice differences, you will know what the reason was for this change. If you are dealing with tinnitus, make an effort to reduce the stress in your life. As with many health conditions, excess stress can make your tinnitus symptoms worse. Take a look at your life to see where the extra pressures may be coming from, and take steps to lighten your load. Take some time and choose your most appropriate approach towards tinnitus. Consider what you are hearing and whether or not it may actually be tinnitus. There are similar issues that occur, and if it grows to a point that it affects your daily routine, see a doctor. Otherwise, pay attention to the information listed above and you may find your answer there. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.